Welcome to my new tutorial on how to install Epson Aculaser M1400 printer driver on your computer. To install this printer on your computer, you will require its driver. I will show you which driver you will require and where you can download it from. So please come on the screen. This is the printer driver that you will require while installing it manually. So you can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After download, you just need to right click on that and click on extract to. Basically we need to unzip this driver file into a folder. So it will create a folder like this. Open it up and you will get two folders there, 32-bit and 64-bit. Select the folder according to the version of your Windows. If your Windows is 32-bit, use 32-bit driver, and if your Windows is 64-bit, then use 64-bit driver. Now please close this folder. We will use these drivers later when we install it manually. So please click on Start button and click on Settings. We are going to install it manually. Click on Devices and then click on Printer and Scanners from the left side pane and click on the plus icon. Click on the link. The printer that I want is not listed. It will open up the installation wizard. You need to choose the last option, add a local printer and a network printer, then click on Next. Now choose the port where your printer is connected right now. I recommend you to choose USB 001 and then click on Next. It is asking for the drivers now, so please click on Have Disk and click on Browse and then go to the location where we have extracted the drivers. Select this file and click on Open. Click on OK. Select the model number and then click on Next. Click on Next again. It is installing the drivers now. Click on Install this driver software anyway. Please select the option Do not share this printer and then click on Next. Click on Finish. As you can see on your screen, in the printers list, the printer has been installed successfully. So this is how you can install Epson Aculaser M1400 printer on your computer. If you like this video, please hit like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.